They look at Ape. All right, we called this breakout in Discord. Our Discord group is absolutely killing it over there. All right, you can see Ape is above the VWAP. It ended up, I put out a post earlier over on Discord. If it got back above this yellow line right here, okay, this bright yellow line in the middle, that is a monthly support area. Okay, you can see we broke back above that area and we ended up ripping up out of here. All right, let's get that off here for the sake of the video. The VWAP, it acts, if you get a breakout above the VWAP, that is a very, very good sign. The VWAP volume weighted profile, it keeps track of price action. Okay, it gives you your average price action that is going on right now, not what happened way long time ago, like moving averages can do sometimes. The VWAP, very, very powerful tool. A lot of times, it's used for support. It'll bounce off the VWAP for support. I like using it now and then. I don't use it a whole lot like I probably should. It's a pretty good tool. All right. Over here, Ape had the ABC that we nailed over here. We nailed this bottom on this thing, ran back up. You got to join us in Discord, guys. It's absolutely killing it over there. These guys are. We have 140 some members now over there. We got some very A-list traders, and that is no joke. And I'm going to show you that right now. These are just from today. I'm going to give you a couple examples. 331% long on SHIB, and the traders, they will put the charts down there, and give people a very good idea, and then everybody interacts, and should it go long, should it go short, a lot of, it's awesome. I love it. SHIB, the Ape one was on here. I don't know if that was the last one I just showed. That was Pepe. Let's go down through here. The Ape one is on here because we nailed the Ape breakout. That's Myro. Boy, did we nail Myro. Man, oh man, if you watched my last Myro video, absolutely nailed the bottom, and unbelievable move. If you got in at the bottom of my ABC that I put on there, you made a absolute killing. Here's Ape long, 81%, $831 on a 20x. We're destroying it over there, guys. For $14.99, it gets you a level 3 membership. First off, it gets you 9 hours of videos, 20 plus videos. I have a lot of time in those videos, 20 of them. It teaches you how to do these charts, how to read patterns, how to set up your trading view, how to use MEXC. Everything is in there. Everything. Okay? How to use moving averages, candlesticks, all of it. It's all in there. All right? Plus, you get an invitation to the Discord. All right? I will put our group of members up. I would love to get into that later. Doing our group against other groups for some of these trading challenges. I think that would be really cool because I have a lot of faith in the guys over there. This Discord's been open for, I don't know, maybe a month now, and unbelievable. Same people in there every day. Just some very, very good traders. Very, very good. I am super impressed. All right, so if you're interested, come join us. We would love to have you. If you sign up for that level 3, $14.99, your link to the Discord is right in your membership, and you can head right on over and join us. Okay, we'd love to have you over there. Now let's take a look at Ape here. Like I said, we nailed this breakout on this thing. All right, you can see on that VWAP, it looks like it's coming back to possibly touch a support zone here. You can see the VWAP is up here. Don't know though. It doesn't look like it's going to pull back that far. All right, if we take a look, what's going on a half hour, a little bit closer range here. All right, if we take a fib, and the Fibonacci, guys, on them videos, learn to use the fib. This is the golden tool. This thing will make you so much money. I cannot say enough about this thing. I love the Fibonacci. It's the best tool ever. hands down. Okay, you can see it did a perfect pullback to a 702 and bounced right off it. All right, the Fibonacci, not sure how it nails these moves like this. It's unbelievable how this thing works. It is so deadly accurate. Your entries can just be absolutely perfect with this thing. All right, now pull back right here to the 50%. That indicates a strong move coming. All right, if you only get a pullback to a 50%, then chances are there's a big blast coming, and that's exactly what happened here. All right, now the 618 or 702 is where you look for your pullback zones, is where you look for your entry to go long. Look at that. Perfect. Right on the 702, taking off. All right, looks like a wave 5 coming up to me right here, quite honestly, which would be a, you'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How do you measure a wave 5? Well, I'm going to show you for free. All right, you go to the top of your wave 4, come down to the bottom of wave 4, and that gives you your 5 target. Up here, $2.61. All right, that's how you find your wave 5 target. There's a freebie. All right, now let's take a look here and see. Well, first off, let's just look real quick here at the crypto bubbles and see what's going on with the rest of the market here today. Yeah, meme coins, still the talk of the town. Pepe, Bonk, Shib, Doge. You can see them out there. I think stats might be whiff down 14%. But if you find a meme coin that hasn't popped yet, chances are it's probably going to. All right, it's crazy, but right now it's meme coin season. You can see. All right, let's head. Bitcoin itself is just absolutely ripping. This thing is getting up there. A full 4.236 extension on this thing. If it looks like a wave 1 here, 1, 2, 3, hard to say where that'll stop, 4, and then a 5th wave up. We'll give it a target 91,737. All right, that would take obviously out our previous all-time high over here, and this would be a good spot maybe for it to stall out when it hits it and pull back for wave 4. We'll see. It's going to attempt it very soon. We had a high today, 68,058. All right, that's 69. Just over $69,000 is the all-time high, and we're just in March. Can you imagine the money we're going to make this year? This is going to be the best year ever. It's going to be the best year ever. And what could end up happening here is, and it very well might happen, you get a breakthrough it, a retest to retest the previous all-time high as support, and then your 5th wave up. That's probably what's going to happen. If I had to guess, all right, that's my best guess. That would make sense. Back test and then take off. So Bitcoin is looking very, very good. Now back over at APE. All right, if we zoom out here a little bit, let's go out in a 4-hour chart. All right, you can see we did that ABC right here, finished that out. I love ABCs. My Caspa video, if you haven't watched that, go watch it, guys. There is a entry coming up for that thing that can make you a ton of money. All right, that's been over in Discord for hours. Them guys are set up, ready to go for that. That move there could be a really, really big winner. And in leverage. There's the pros and cons of it. All right, the pros are, if you have a small amount of money, you can use 10x leverage, which gives you $1,000 total, funds to use. But you pay, if you win that trade, you pay the funds or your fees on that $1,000. All right, that's how leverage works. It's not very, it's a very, very good tool. I love leverage. I love it. The other morning, not bragging at all, I turned $60 into $600 in about an hour because of leverage. It can work in your favor, and it can also work against you. It's all not roses over there. You win some, you lose some, but overall, we win a lot. Okay. All right. Now the 4-hour RSI on APE just heading up. It's just starting an upward movement. The 8 hour just turning back up, 44 and a 41. It's bullish. As long as your blue number is bigger than your orange, you're bullish. If your orange number is bigger than your blue, you're bearish. The 12 hour, still bullish. A 77 and a 75, still heading up. All right, and your daily, still bullish. A 93 and an 85. And then you got your weekly, still bullish, a 100 and a 93. And the monthly still heading up, 76 and a 58 on the monthly. All right, so things are looking very, very good for Ape. And when you zoom out on this thing, this move has just started. Okay, look at this. This is nothing. All right, just to get a normal retracement back towards, we're not going to use a wicks up there. A normal retracement's going to get you up to 13 to 1470. All right, that's the 618 and 702. I expect this thing to go a lot higher. All right, and in fact, if we do use the wicks, that would get you up to 1758 to 1985. In a bull run for this thing, you could be up over $100 on Ape. So just starting out, literally just starting the bottom, just rounding the bottom out. That's I've already listened to a guy before, rounded bottoms pay the bills. Well, there you go. There's a rounded bottom, and we are just starting on our way back up. So this thing is just getting going. All right, thank you so much, guys. Have a great day, and I'll be back with you soon.